In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use AliExpress. By the end, you'll feel confident finding the right products, setting your preferences, and placing an order safely. Start by opening your browser and searching for AliExpress. When the results appear, look for the official site. It should be the one that clearly says AliExpress and shows a secure padlock in the address bar. This helps you avoid lookalike pages and ensures you're shopping on the correct platform. Once you're on the home page, move your mouse to the top right and hover over the account area. From there, click the Sign In button. If you already have an account, log in. If not, you can create one in just a minute. Being signed in helps save your address and payment preferences for a smoother checkout. Next, find the Ship To and currency settings, usually near the top of the page. Set your destination country and choose a currency you're comfortable with, like your local currency or USD. This ensures product prices, shipping estimates, and taxes display accurately for your location. Now use the search bar to type in exactly what you want to buy. After the results load, take advantage of the filters on the left side. You can toggle options like free shipping and savings to narrow down your choices and spot better deals faster. Filtering now saves time later and helps compare similar listings more easily. Click on an item to open its product page. Here's where due diligence pays off. Look for the store name and check the seller's positive feedback rating. Aim for at least 95% positive feedback and a store that's been open for 6 months or longer. This is a simple way to reduce risk and improve your chances of a good experience. Choose the exact variations you need, such as color, size, or bundle options. Then select Buy Now if you're ready to check out immediately, or Add to Cart if you want to keep browsing. At checkout, enter your complete shipping address carefully. Make sure your postal code and phone number are correct to avoid delivery delays. Select a secure payment method, such as a credit or debit card, PayPal, or Google Pay, and authorize the transaction. If you have a promo code, add it before paying. Review the order summary for item details, shipping method, and total cost. Then click Place Order. After payment, a tracking number will appear in your order details as soon as it's available. Use it to follow your package's progress and stay updated on delivery. That's it. You've successfully used AliExpress from start to finish.